Hey, what's up guys, update all of you doing well. So there are multiple new updates available regarding the Galaxy S22 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out those updates. So first up, there's a new August update available for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and to update it simply go into the settings, then scroll all the way down, and from here tap on software update, then you will have to tap on download and install. After tapping on download and install, you will get to see a new August update that will be around 450 MB in size with a security patch level of the August 2025. This will include some security improvement and the bug fixes that were there before. If you talk about the OneUI 8 update, so yes, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will get the official OneUI 8 update, but sadly there will be no OneUI 8 beta update for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And it is kinda sad to see that there is no OneUI 8 beta available for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, while the beta update is available for some of the OneUI 8 beta version should be available for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as this is a flagship device. But sadly there is no OneUI 8 beta available for it. And if we talk about that, what new you can expect with the OneUI 8 update, so you can expect some smoother animations while opening and closing of the apps. Also you will get to see a new weather app with the OneUI 8 update. This is how the OneUI 8 weather app will look like on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Further, there will be no as such new UI changes available with the OneUI 8 update. In short, you can say that the OneUI 8 update will be the enhanced version of the OneUI 7 version. The OneUI 7 update was having some bugs and issues with the battery drain and some other lag issues, so hopefully all of these issues will be solved with the OneUI 8 update. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates available regarding the Galaxy S22 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.